Ethereal Peachy Grey. This artful fusion of shades is expertly interwoven to form a unique, color-blocked masterpiece, resulting in an aesthetic that's both whimsical and elegant. For the first formula, start with CHI Bleach and Shine and 20-volume CHI color generator using a 1.5 mixing ratio. Then, add 3 pumps of CHI Bond Rebuilder. Before application, mist the hair with CHI Bond and seal. After completing the root application, go back and apply lightener to the ends. Apply lightener to all hair for a complete bleach out to the root. Artist tip: lift the hair off the scalp to aerate, which will help with even processing and client comfort. Mist hair with CHI Bond and seal to slow down processing for areas lifting faster than others. Process until the desired level is achieved. Next, we will use the LG CHI Color Master Factory to formulate our toner. Our second formula consists of 1 ounce of the blood orange trend color, 1 shot of orange additive, and 1 ounce of 10 volume. Create a section 1 inch from the hairline, following the shape of the head. Apply Formula 2 to the front section using a foil to protect the face, and apply to the front left section, stopping at the ear. Cover the section with foil. Using the LG CHI Color Master Factory, we will formulate Formula 3. This toner consists of 1 ounce of ice trend color, 1 shot of violet additive, and 1 ounce of 10 volume. Apply Formula 3 using a 1 inch section behind the first foils. For the fourth and final toner formula, we will use 1.5 ounce of baby pink, 1 shot of red additive, and 1 ounce of 10 volume. Behind the second foil, start with Formula 2, using a diagonal section. Lightly saturate and comb to the opposite side. Apply Formula 4 to the section above the ear and the back of the neck, up to the occipital and the full side. Continuing with diagonal subsections, apply Formula 3 up to the crown. Apply Formula 4 to the remaining section, feathering lightly, saturating, leaving blonde remnants. Comb through to aerate. Let the color process for 30 minutes. Rinse and shampoo using CHI Royal Treatment Color Gloss Shampoo. Follow with CHI Royal Treatment Color Gloss Conditioner. This is Ethereal Peachy Grey from Rouge de CHI.